Always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
I'm Next Weather meteorologist Shane Hinton, tracking a toasty start to your work week. Take a live look out there in Key West right now. 91 degrees on the thermometer, but yeah, you're reading that right. 107 is what it currently feels like out there. So please continue to stay hydrated. I know we're at happy hour time, okay? So you got to put those glasses of water in the mix. 99 is what it feels like in Homestead. It feels like 100 degrees flat in Fort Lauderdale and 98 in Miami. Could some rain help to cool us off a bit? Well, the radar shows we are tracking some showers and storms, but they're right now over the Everglades, and they're continuing to push down toward the south and southwest. I'll give you a closer look at them here. You can see this is not impacting my friends in Homestead. In fact, these showers and storms are actually pushing more towards southwest Florida. We'll hold on to a 20 to 30% chance for showers just like this throughout the next several hours, but I do see them tapering off for the back half of the evening. Now, tomorrow, you're going to notice that our shower and storm chances are going to be a bit higher. What I'm giving you a look at now is the winds over the next several hours and into tomorrow. You'll notice that we have a northeasterly flow at the current time, but then as we head into tomorrow, we're going to have more of a northerly flow. And this is actually going to be due in part to a system that you have been hearing a lot about, and that is Hurricane Erin, currently sitting out over the Bahamas. A just gigantic system here. It was a Category 5 over the weekend, currently sitting as a Category 4. We are not expecting direct impacts, but these are some of the impacts that do kind of change our weather pattern as we head throughout the next several days. So we are expecting a couple of indirect impacts. What are those? Well, let's talk about them real quickly. What we are going to be tracking for you is going to be that potential for some showers and storms to develop due to a northerly wind flow created by Erin. So the forecast cone still shows that it's going to stay offshore of the United States, but we will see some indirect impacts along the entire eastern coastline from the mid-Atlantic down to South Florida, mostly in the form of some rougher marine conditions, some higher surf heights, and also elevated rip current risks. Now, in regard to our wind gust forecast, you can see that here in South Florida, we expect tomorrow afternoon to maybe see some gusts up to 25 miles per hour, breeziest for Palm Beach County, but then by Wednesday morning into Thursday, things really calm down for us. They pick up, though, for our friends in North Carolina, eastern North Carolina, under a tropical storm watch and storm surge watch with wave heights up to 4 feet in the Outer Banks, gusts up to 53 miles per hour up there in Nags Head, and then it'll start to calm down as we head into the back half of the work week as it continues to move further away from the U.S. Here locally, we are going to see impacts to your rip current risk starting tomorrow morning. High rip current risk not only for Miami-Dade and Broward, but for Palm Beach County as well. Winds from the north at 10 to 15 miles per hour with a very high UV index. Out on the water, we don't have any official marine alerts, but it is worth noting that we could see some showers and storms in the mix that could roughen up some conditions. Our shower and storm potential will start around midday tomorrow, so think around 11 to 12 o'clock from Broward to Miami-Dade. They'll move from north to south. Grab the umbrella before you head out the door. They'll quickly push through, and then by Tuesday evening, things will quiet down for us. Tomorrow, still going to feel toasty. Feels like temperatures in the heat advisory criteria, but we do not have a heat advisory issued at this time. Now, earlier in the show, I was telling you about another area far out in the tropics that we are tracking. It's a tropical wave that has a 60% chance of development over the next week. This is where it could potentially develop closer to the Lesser Antilles and Puerto Rico, but right now, no direct impacts are expected from this system to South Florida, but the Next Weather team is going to stay on top of it and provide updates each and every day for you. We're walking you through hurricane season one day at a time, you guys. 7-day forecast shows highs in the lower to mid 90s. Hydrate early. Light colors, loose fitting clothing as we go throughout this entire week.